Trying to pick a smartwatch, but everything feels the same? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're putting the Garmin Instinct 3 and the Suunto Race S head-to-head to see which one truly stands out. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one is worth your attention. Let's get into it. Comparative analysis. Talking about the materials and build. The Garmin Instinct 3 features a rugged fiber-reinforced polymer body with a metal-reinforced bezel and military-grade toughness designed for outdoor adventures and extreme environments. Meanwhile, the Suunto Race S uses a slimmer stainless steel construction with a lighter and more premium sporty design that feels comfortable for daily wear and training. The Garmin Instinct 3 comes in 45mm and 50mm sizes with either AMOLED or solar MIP display options, offering strong outdoor visibility and durability. The Suunto Race S features a sharp 1.32-inch AMOLED display in a compact 45mm body, delivering brighter visuals and a cleaner smartwatch-style experience for runners and athletes. Garmin Instinct 3 focuses heavily on endurance, with AMOLED models lasting up to 18 to 24 days, and solar models capable of near-unlimited smartwatch battery life in ideal sunlight conditions. The Suunto Race S also delivers impressive endurance with up to 9 to 13 days in smartwatch mode, around 30 hours of multiband GPS tracking, and up to 120 hours in tour mode for long outdoor adventures and endurance training. The Instinct 3 includes advanced health tracking such as heart rate, pulse ox, sleep monitoring, stress tracking, HRV status, multiband GPS, and smart notifications. The Suunto Race S focuses more on sports training, offline maps, route navigation, and workout analytics, while offering a cleaner and simpler user interface for athletes. The Garmin Instinct 3 launched in early 2025 with pricing starting around $399 for the solar version and going up to about $499 for the AMOLED 50mm model, depending on size and display type. Meanwhile, the Suunto Race S launched in 2024 with a more affordable starting price of around $349, making it a strong value-focused premium sports watch for runners and fitness users. The Garmin Instinct 3 is best suited for hikers, trekkers, outdoor explorers, military-style users, and endurance athletes who prioritize toughness and battery life above everything else. The Suunto Race S is more focused on runners, cyclists, gym users, and fitness enthusiasts who want a lightweight AMOLED sports watch with strong navigation and training features in a more stylish design. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.